Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it's 1 hour and 51 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings than the Play Store. So if you wish, you can check some further details using two different ways. The first one is to tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with specific time you've spent on them. Maybe I will tell you about app limiters in a second. And the second way is to tap on the specific app. So for example, settings or Play Store or whatever app you've got here, just tap on it and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. So here you've got also ways to disconnect. So if you will decide that you are spending too much time on the specific app, you can set, for example, the app timers. Let's tap on it. And here just find the app and find this icon, so the hourglass icon. Let's tap on it and now we can set, for example, the timer for 0 hours and 30 minutes, which means that we can use the app for 30 minutes during one day. So the app timer will reset at midnight, and again you will have 30 minutes to use the app. Of course you can set it for, I don't know, 0 hours and 0 minutes and the app will be completely disabled. As you can see in the Chrome here, it's completely grayed out and we cannot use it at all. Another thing which is quite interesting is the focus mode. So just tap on it. Here we can select distracting apps, so basically those from which you are receiving the most notifications. Just mark them, so for example those options. It doesn't matter. Then tap on set a schedule. You can choose specific days of the week, start and the end time, and then tap on set. And now your device will basically turn on, it will hide the notifications from those apps. So depending on the schedule you've set, you can, I don't know, work peacefully or rest or spend time with your family or study or whatever. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.